Hello everyone, this is Seth Frosterayas. And you know what, let's keep this video short, keep it simple, keep it sweet, but most of all, let's keep it kinky. As some of you may have noticed, there has been a change of scenes. If you haven't cared enough to notice that the scene has changed, then okay, but to those of you who have noticed the scene changing, those of you who actually care about me, the scene has changed, not because I moved where my computer was, but because I'm recording on a new device. I have myself a fancy new camera. Not a camcorder, but it does work better than my webcam, and it takes good video. I'm not sure about the audio yet. This is partially a test video to test exactly how the audio comes out, but so far I think the audio will be fine since this camera is worth about £211, which is a lot of money. But I got a good deal on it, so I didn't pay the entire $211 because I'm cheap. I'm a cheap date. I probably shouldn't say that, but I have. Now, what's the difference now? Because I have a new camera which I can bring around everywhere, I'm not confined to one desk and one location. Well, some of the changes will be that, of course, I will shoot my videos in various locations. This one is in my room, and this is my view, which you can't see because it's night, and the windows are kind of hazy because of condensation. But I will shoot everywhere in my house that I can to just mostly annoy my family. I will shoot in their rooms. I will shoot in the kitchen. I will shoot in the living room while I'm trying to watch a movie and probably get my ass kicked in the process. But I will do it for you and for entertainment, and mostly because I'm an asshole. Other than location change, some of the other changes you will see is that I will start coming up with more videos. Different kinds of videos, and just simply more of them. Because now my time period in which I can record a video isn't restricted to about 2 hours every night. I can start recording the second I get home, or I can start recording during work if I decide I want to get fired by recording while I'm working. Or, you know, I can just do anything. But I can also now shoot different kinds of videos, because, as I said, I'm not restrained to my desk, which kind of restrained how much video content I could actually make, and what kind of content that I can make as well. And I am actually in the process of making a new video. It's a new kind of video as well, but the process is kind of slow, because I did get slightly small memory, because it was cheaper, and as I said, I am a cheap date. But I have ordered slightly bigger memory in the form of a 16 gigabyte SD card. The ones I have now, I have two of them, they are 2 gigabytes. So I have about 18 minutes worth of video which I can shoot. I will shoot it. Of course I'll shoot multiple scenes like 50 times because I'm not used to this yet. And I have to end up doing this very, very slowly because I'll fill up the video on both memory cards, and then I'll have to put them onto the computer when I get on at night. And then I won't be able to shoot further tonight because I'm on the computer. And then I have to start the process all over again tomorrow, and it's very slow, but the new memory card should come in soon, and that should speed things up a bit for these new videos, because really they're taking up a lot of time. Now, I'm not just going to simply concentrate on these new kinds of videos, though perhaps for a week or two I might, just to show you guys what they are. But the show must go on, up until I annoy someone enough that they actually come over to where I live and kill me, and on the route that I'm taking now, that may not be too long in the future. And as I said earlier, I'll be able to make videos a lot easier because I'm not restricted to a small window in which I can record videos, nor am I restricted to location. So, you know, I'll be able to get videos out a bit more often perhaps, because I can use the time before I get on the computer to shoot a video, and then I can use my time on the computer to edit, rather than having to use my time on the computer to do both. I don't know why I'm so excited, but I am! Now, as I said, this is partially a tester video, and to let you guys know what's going on now and what I'm going to be doing, and that I'm still alive and that no one has killed me yet, though there have been several attempts, but luckily I run really, really fast. Anyhow, thank you all for watching the video. Watch out for my future videos, which will be coming out soon. I am shooting videos for lots of new videos now, and it should be easier once the new, bigger memory card comes in. I hope you all enjoy the video and are looking forward to my new ones. Thumbs up the video and help our world of love grow. And I won't have to send Skittle Ninjas out to murder you in your sleep. As always, this is Ephros Soraeus. Over and out. Out. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to attend a dominatrix convention.